How do I make a POV video on TikTok?
Hello there. Today, we're going to explore how to create a POV, point of view, video on TikTok. It's a fun and engaging way to showcase a scenario or story from your perspective. Don't worry if you're a beginner, we will take this step by step, so you'll be a POV video pro in no time.
What is a POV video?
A POV video, or point of view video, is a creative format where the camera represents the perspective of a character. It's a storytelling style that allows viewers to experience a scenario or event as if they were in the shoes of a character. These types of videos are particularly popular on platforms like TikTok because they're engaging and allow for a lot of creativity.
How to plan your POV video.
Before you start filming, it's crucial to plan your video. Write down the story or concept you want to convey, considering what the character sees, their actions, and their reactions. Remember, the key is to make the audience feel like they're part of the narrative.
Setting up your camera.
Now, to film a POV video, position your camera to capture the scene from your viewpoint. You could hold your phone yourself, or use a selfie stick or tripod. The camera should ideally be at eye level and capture what you see. Experiment with different angles and positions until you achieve the desired effect.
Filming your POV video.
Start filming your video. Remember, you're telling a story from your perspective, so make sure to include actions that are typical of what someone would naturally do, like reaching out for objects, looking around, or interacting with the environment. These elements will enhance the POV effect.
Editing your POV video.
Once you've captured your footage, it's time to edit. TikTok has a range of built-in editing tools. You can add filters, effects, and soundtracks to make your video more engaging. Remember to keep the video's pacing quick and dynamic, typical of the TikTok platform.
Posting your POV video.
Once you're happy with your video, go ahead and post it on TikTok. Make sure to use the hashtag POV hashtag so others interested in POV videos can find your content. And that's it. That's how you make a POV video on TikTok. It's a unique and fun way to tell stories and engage with your audience. So, get creative, and remember, the most important thing is to have fun and express your creativity. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we can't wait to see the amazing POV videos you create. Happy TikToking!